Hi folks, Jeff here, and Launch Tech USA sent me the new X431 Diagun EVO. This is really neat diagnostic scan tool. It has a handle on here so you can grab it. So walking out on the service drive, walking over to the vehicles, you're going to be sure not drop it. I was impressed with this, with all of the features that it has on it. It comes with the printer, it comes with a camera on it, and it's on an Android system. So when you plug it in, you can go in and you can check the batteries in the car or out of the car. You can do a diagnostic system where it scans the entire vehicle, gives a report. You can go into the maintenance, and this is what I want to show you on this video. This is a BMW, and most of y'all out there that work on the foreign cars know a lot of times it's hard to go in and reset the oil reset light, or go in and reset for the brakes and all the different deals. A lot of the vehicles now you have to reset for if you replace the battery. So this is really neat on a tool. So you go in and you press maintenance, and you can see you can do the brake reset, you can do battery reset, TPMS, airflow sensors, just a whole array of stuff, including the DPF, the EGR. It has a deal on here for the keys, your sunroof. You can relearn all of this stuff. And so the neatest deal on this is all of the features that are on this particular tool. So we have to go in and reset the oil light on this one. So we go in and it's telling us what it's doing. It's always going to ask you, okay, now this is a push button vehicle. We have to turn it on. So in and asking it to do the oil reset. The deal that I really like on this one is when you go into the systems, it gives you the different vehicles. So we're going to tell that it's a BMW. So it says, hey, switch the ignition on. We've got the ignition on. We're going to turn the fan off here so we don't run the battery down. And you always want to check and make sure that you turn your headlights on. So it's going through and it's checking what's available on this vehicle. The really neat thing on this one is a lot of times you'll go into the systems and it'll say, hey, reset F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, and you don't always know what they are. If you're just going through on the instrument panel and hitting them, unless you do it all the time, then you don't always know what it is. So right there it says service reset, please wait, and it comes with the list. And that's the deal that I really liked, is that it shows you all of the different deals. So if you're just wanting to reset the oil, if you have a maintenance, and so you can see right here that we already went in, and at the bottom here you hit the F1, the F2, or you go more, and it tells you that F1 was the engine oil. We reset it, it's showing that it's at 100%. We also replaced the brakes on this vehicle. So F2 was the front brakes, F3 was the rear brakes. We cleared out the brake fluid, F4. F5 is a vehicle check, and if you hit more, it would go and show you what all of the different items that are on this vehicle and what they are that's available. And so it shows you there if you want to activate it and deactivate it. And this is just really amazing for this on the tool, that you can go in and have all of these items available. So that's showing you the Launch X431 Diagun EVO. Some of the features that are available on it. This is really neat. So if you're looking for a tool, a tool to do some quick scans, this actually does this quick scan plus a whole lot more. It also comes with the connectors that go right here that you can hook up for your battery. That's all included. You notice there's an optional video scope. So in other words, you can put a borescope on here also. This is on the Android system. So this is really worth checking out. As always, I appreciate you watching.